controlling most of the area. Now they have an area to live in, and they have a republic, or they have elected officials. What do they need? They need a body to protect them, which is the army or the military. The Roman military was known for its discipline and strict rules. The military was divided into something that is called legions. A legion was a large unit consisting of all types of soldiers, and based on whatever war or call, the whole legion moves together. So the Roman military or the Roman army was divided into sections. These sections were known as legions. One legion was made up of 6,000 men, and these 6,000 men were different types of soldiers. They were divided into mini groups of 60 to 100 or 120 soldiers, and each legion would move separately into one area upon the request of the higher authorities in the army. They wore the same clothes or the same uniform as the Greek army or as Alexander's army, which was made up of the sword, the shield, the toga or the skirt, and a protective bronze or metal surface that they wear on top of their clothes under the shield or the armor. Now, after the Romans conquered the land, they formed a republic, they made their military. The Romans created something that is known as a confederation. A confederation was a governing body. This confederation conquered the people and the citizens. Their job was to get or collect taxes from the citizens, to take people or volunteers to fight for Rome, and to manage all the affairs of the cities, to see what do the Roman cities want, what do they need, and lift it to the higher authorities. Now, based on what we said today, I need you to think and try to answer these questions. And the one who's going to answer the question correctly is going to take a +1. The first question is, remember when we said that there were reasons that influenced the geography of Rome? Rome was a peninsula. Give me what are the factors or what are the reasons that made the geography a great place. In other words, what are the advantages or the good things in Rome's geography? Grade 11. Can you hear me? Yes, Yassine.
Answer these 4 questions?
No, I asked you the first question only, and I need you to raise your hand if you know the answer. Yassine already raised his hand, so I want Yassine to answer. To rephrase the first question, I asked you, what is the good thing about Rome's geography? Yassine, are you going to answer? Grade 11, can you hear me now? Grade 11?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Who can answer the first question? Grade 11, can you hear me?
لسه سامعينك بس مفيش حاجة معمول لها شير.
Oh, I already said the question twice. What is the good thing? I'm going to share the screen now. This is because I signed in and out again. What is the good thing about Greece's geography? Give me one advantage about Rome's geography. Can you see the screen now?
It is located near the Bose River and has a fertile soil.
Okay, because it's a peninsula, it has a fertile soil. Now, how did this fertile soil encourage the formation of a civilization? How did they use the fertile soil? Why was it an advantage?
People settled and started making farming settlements.
So what happened when they made farming settlements?
So they became stable and they formed the civilization.
Thank you. The fertile soil encouraged farming. Farming encouraged or increased food, and then they started developing and creating a civilization. Okay. Second question. Thank you, Awad. You just earned the +1. What influences inspired the Roman culture? Who are the empires or who are the people that affected or influenced the Roman culture? Grade 11. Do I have to keep repeating the same question and stating grade 11 5, 6 times so that I have one answer?
The Greeks, Greeks.
How did they influence the Romans? You said the Greeks, correct. Now you need to tell me, how did the Greeks influence the Romans? What did the Romans copy from the Greeks?
They had many gods like them.
Okay, what else? Other than the Greek gods? Grade 11. There were two groups of people who inspired the Romans. Who were they? Okay, I'm going to upload the this session or the parts that we explained today, and you're going to answer these 4 questions as homework. You're gonna have it in the. Can you hear me?
مش سامعين حاجة خالص.
مستر.
Grade 11, can you hear me now? Grade 11, can you hear me now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I was just saying, on the SMS, you're going to find, on the YouTube, you're going to find the video, and on the SMS, you're going to find the 4 questions. You're going to answer the first 4 questions from the first part of the lesson, which we discussed the last session and this session. The due date of the homework is going to be Sunday when we go back to school. Monday, I mean, when we go back to school. Okay, so the deadline is Sunday. You're not allowed to submit it after Sunday. You cannot submit it Monday morning. You're going to submit it on the same Word document on the SMS as a message, as an email on SMS. Clear?
تمام. Yes.
Okay.
تمام.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy your break. Happy Eid. You can leave.
Bye, miss.
Thank you. Bye.